function. So here we want to get average life expectancy. So that is like the value average life expectancy means mean of life expectancy. So here we're getting the value. Okay. Then we can see how to do grouping. Okay. Grouping. Grouping. So grouping. So for grouping, uh, okay, we can use group by function. So summary statistics become much more powerful when if we are comparing with the grouping. Okay. So for example, you can use group underscore by function to calculate the average life expectancy per continent. So here we can use the example, that is uh, okay, we can copy and paste it here. Okay, so in between you can add group by. Okay, if you want to group by particular continent, then you can add like this, group underscore by, then you can add on basis of that anything you can add. Okay, if you want to get group by on the basis of country, you can add that. Otherwise you can add continent. Okay, then you are summarizing the average life expectancy of that particular continent. So then you have to add this pipe symbol. Yeah, here you are getting the average life expectancy of that particular continent, that is Africa 48.9, America 64.7. So like that. So anything you can select group by, and in that you can add country name or like depending upon your data you can select it. Okay, yeah. So everyone, I mean, everybody's getting right this result.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so sir, Noble sir, today's workshop, I mean, today's topic is over now. So I
Yes, yes, yes.
think we can.
Ma'am,
Yes, yes,
shall
yes.
I ask you one thing?
Ah,
Ma'am, how do we import one signal, like audio signal? Which,
audio signal. You can import here, right? In
any
file session,
signal?
you can. Signal means what?
Ma'am, if we are
Nee, alagalla.
plotting any signal, dot wave
Signal.
file, dot wave, WAV dot file, audio files
Audio files. Why we are importing here?
for
Uh,
doing signal processing applications.
oh, that kind of things. That
Yeah,
kind of
that
thing. I don't know. I'll check it later and I'll. Can you send to me a message in WhatsApp?
yes,
So
ma'am.
because in biology that we won't use that. I mean this one. So normally import you can do like this. Like you can
We
otherwise
have
import
to
function also.
perform some other functions like fast Fourier transform, wavelet
Oh,
transform.
FFT.
Have to do
Okay.
that.
Oh, okay, okay. That I'll check it and I'll reply in WhatsApp. Okay. After
Okay, ma'am.
completing this, whenever you can message, you can. I mean, whenever you want to message, you can message me in
Okay,
WhatsApp.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
So thank you, Dr. Vijana. It was very nice. 3 days.
Okay.
Uh,
Thank you.
I
Thank you.
I also don't know much about our programming, but I also was very much fascinated in studying all this programming. It was very
Okay.
from my perspective, I think it was very good learning, and
Huh, huh.
others also, the people who are sitting here also, I think they have I think many people are responding very good. So I
Huh.
think they have utilized this time, and if one or two can tell something, some feedback, it will be
Huh,
better.
yes.
Some feedback, it will be better.
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
Yes, 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 this one you can tell.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Sir, the program was all over was very nice, sir. Actually, like from the basic, from the scratch, we
Yeah.
had been taught, and also how we can imply in the biology sector. Like yesterday, we be taught how to the DNA counting and stuffs like that. So it was very nice, sir, and we
yes.
utilized the program very well. And also, I'm planning on doing some projects on my projects incorporating with R programming. What I can do, I'm just planning ahead with my current project. How can I implement the R programming in it?
Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Very good as well, I think. So, anyone there? I think many are saying their feedback in the chat session. It was very interesting to hear that. So,
Oh, okay. Thank you, thank you,
uh,
thank you, everybody. Because already I was confused how to take like was because in participant